What's up, guys? My name is Derek. I'm a developing ICT student. I've been trading the financial markets for the past 3 years. I recently transitioned to futures from Forex, and I mainly trade micro, E-mini, Nasdaq. Alright, so I'm looking to take a buy trade here in the London session, the London Q zone from 3 to 4 a.m. And as you can see, I currently have this chart marked up. So this price that you're seeing here, this is the true day opening price for the micro E-mini S&P 500 index futures. What I'm looking for is price taking this out, and then I want to see this buy. So I just want to see price running out this liquidity from the market. Once we run it out, I'll go in and then look for a buy to target this high first, and then ultimately the ending range of this whole thing. Okay, so this is my whole target. So what we see down here is the new day opening gap. This is the high of the gap and the low of the gap. So this is all that I have on my chart right now, annotated and simply waiting for a run on liquidity and then a buy from there. This is the micro E-mini Nasdaq, and I have similar markup on Nasdaq as well. And as you can see, I have the Q zone time annotated from 3 to 4 a.m. And I also want to see similar price action. We hammer this low and then we move up. But looking at how NQ is acting the strongest of the assets, Nasdaq may not be able to come below these lows and do this. Okay, so Nasdaq might do something like this, and then we may see it reversing from there to target the upside. And when it happens like that, it means you're going to have an SMT. We're going to have a possible SMT on the London second quarter's low. So I'm looking for ES to really hunt these lows out, and then I'll look for a buy, whilst Nasdaq might not be able to go below these lows, and then we will still see a buy forming there. So that is all that I'm waiting for. So currently price is trying to go below the true day opening price. That is the opening price at the New York midnight. On this candle, you can see all the way down here. This is the Friday, 14th February 2025, New York local time, midnight. I want to see manipulation, and I will take a buy to the upside. Alright, so we are running the lows out, and now I'm going to drop into 1 minute time frame and look for my trade. Okay, so let me get these off the chart, and there they go. If you look here, you can see this is the order block that send price down. Let's annotate that as OB. Now I'll go to NQ, because this is where I'm going to take my execution. Let's go here. Let me take this off the chart as well. Yeah, and currently this is what we have. This is a order block that is doing this damage. I will annotate this as an OB. So to start with, I am going to place a buy stop above this high. My stop loss probably may go here. So on that high, I'm going to put only 3 contracts on the high. Yeah, so I've put 3 contracts on this high, and I'm going to put another contract above that high as well, as price keeps moving to the upside. Okay, so on 5 minutes, you can see that this liquidity here has been hunted, and to me that should be enough for this trade to then pan out. So let's drop to 1 minute. Now once price goes above this order block zone, I want to see them go above it, hit the true day opening price right here, come back down to use the order block as support, and then boom to the upside. Let me place my second order above this high, and of course I will be using this one instead as my stop loss, and that is where I want to take a buy stop with 2 contracts for the other trade. So whilst price is down here, if we have any kind of inversion, SMT, market structure shift, I'm going in there and I'm taking a trade with 1 contract. So ES is finally giving an SMT here on this low. So with that SMT, like I said, I am taking another one contract buy stop above this high. I wanted to take a buy stop here, but price was so fast I couldn't catch up. So yeah, I'm taking one contract there, and my stop loss goes below this low that they had the SMT on. So we are tapped in for one contract currently, and we are tapped in on the second trade. Let me get this off the chart. This is becoming plenty. We are now in the trade for 4 contracts. We are using the equilibrium of this order block as support right now. I want to see that hold as support to the upside. So we are retesting this FVG down here, and in that case, I am forced to bring my buy stop here to this high instead. That's it. All right, so that's it. We have taken a loss, and yeah, the trade did not work. So I guess that would be that for me for the London Kill Zone session, and that's it. Take this order off, and yeah, that's it.